Hello and welcome. In this video, I'm gonna be showing you how you can upload pictures in Pinterest. Well, it's a pretty straightforward process. All you have to do is just launch a Pinterest app and make sure you have logged into your account of Pinterest. Now, in order to upload pictures in Pinterest, at the bottom section, you can find this plus icon. This is what we need to click at first. Now, it is saying whether we want to create a separate pin or create a board first. So you can take either way, but for quick demonstration, I'm going to choose pin alone and allow limited access. So access to this, allow, and click on next at the top right section. Now you can add a title to your pin. Similarly, a description for your pin. You can also add any link that you want to provide in here. Time to pick a board. There are two boards. I can pick any one of them, or I can just leave it empty. So we can also tag topics so that we can reach people interested in pin like ours. So search your topic. Maybe I want to say slang. Okay, spelling and handwriting, vocabulary, done. Now advanced settings. So if you want to allow comments, this is by default turned to on. So switch this to off if you want to change this setting. Similarly, if you want to be shown similar products, this is by default turned to on. Just turn this to off if you want Pinterest to not show you similar products. Now after this, the final thing that you want to do is click on this create button at the bottom right corner, and after a few seconds your pin was published. View, there you have it, slang, and any description we have added will be displayed in here. Now you know how to upload picture in Pinterest. If you found this video helpful, do give this video a big thumbs up, and if you still have any questions or comments regarding uploading pictures in Pinterest, do leave them in the comment section. We'll get back to you right away. Until next time, bye bye.